Alright, this is the review of the Double O Riser. Wow. I say wow because when I was watching the second season, it was like, yeah, Double O Gundam, which the series is named after, more or less. And then, O Riser, what does it do? So basically, all this thing does is attached to the Double O Gundam like a big backpack. It's supposed to help with the output of the GN drives, but in Transformer speak, it would be robot kibble. That's the way I look at the O Riser, and that's why I think you should get them only if you can find it cheap. Anyway, I don't have the weapons for the Double O. I think they're in storage, right? Well, I'm not going to use the weapons because I already showed the weapons when I was reviewing this. So this is all about the combo and the issues that happen. So let me just take this guy off. Go. Oh, Liza, talking mode. I'm going to take this off and replace it with this, which is for the Double O Gundam later on. So what you do, I'll put the stand to the back. So basically what you do is you fold these down and you take these off. You have to push them up and out. So up and out. Yeah, as you can see. So when you're putting them on, it's in and down. So off is up and out. So up and out. And you have this part left, which you can use as a stabbing weapon. Ah! So basically what you're going to do, there's no articulation on the O Riser. That was just a piece that came off. So you take this part out, see, like that. Then you bend this, and then you bend this down. So basically, folds onto itself, like this. You see these hooks, these meaty hooks? They go into the back of the Double O, like that. In and down. So that's it for that. It's starting to get a little back heavy. So these, what you do is you transform these down like this. And these little tabs go into here. As you can see, there's a notch up here which goes in, and then it goes back to secure itself on the GN drive. In and back. We're going to do the same with this side. Transform this down. Then this goes in here, in and back. You could still light up the GN drives, which I'll do just now. They may flicker a bit at first, but Setsuna is Gundam, so they'll turn on eventually. The thing is, when I turn on the GN drives, I usually push in the drive, so because what happens when you push on the switch, you push the drive out. Now it's on. This one's on. Now it's starting to flicker, and the Double O is starting to get back heavy. Push and drive and switch it on. Yeah, like that. One of the good things about Gundams is that you could take them apart for whatever you have to do, unlike a transformer or an action figure. There you go. The GN drives are on, and voila, the 00 riser, which is kind of leaning forward. It's standing on its own right now. As you can see, these side things are really heavy. You're supposed to bring these out and open these a little bit. Well, alright, as you can see, it's a back heavy and it wants to fall down all the time. That's why I have my stand, my trusty stand with me for awesome aerial poses. Let's bring in the stand. So you have this item here, which clips in to the back of the 00 Gundam here. Thank goodness for editing. Alright. So there we have the 00 Gundam. Light it up. One of the poses that I like, that I did as soon as I built the O riser and I attached it, was something like this. It's a cool pose. So the action stand is a necessary evil with this. I think when you buy the 00 riser, you get one with the Celestial Being logo. So Bandai knew what was going to happen with this guy. I am thinking of getting the designer version just because it has the GN Sword 3, which is an awesome weapon. But like I said, the 00, it looks cool because it's all bulky and huge, like the S Gundam. But it's basically, like I was saying, it's just back kibble. It's robot kibble. And you can still see the plane on the back. That's how much kibble it is. It wouldn't look the same though without the back. You know, it's like there goes a lot of the bulk. It needs something here to even the bulk out. But the 00 Gundam with just the wings on the side, not a good look. Alright, so how do I feel about this now that I built the 00 riser? It's a necessary evil. It's like you can't have all the second season Gundams without having the 00 riser, because you could have the 00 but it wouldn't feel complete. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna get this, I would get both of these model kits separate, because to me it seems that would be the cheaper way of doing it. If you can't find both models, and I'm sure you can if you like scour the internet and online toy stores, if you can't find both models, I would recommend getting whichever you can find cheap, whether it be the designer version or the 00 riser box with the stand. But if you can get the designer version cheaper, you get the GN Sword 3 and a whole bunch of attachments. You don't get the color accurate design scheme, so he'll look out of place with your other 00 Gundam. So it's all up to you. As the consumer, it's up to you. But I paid 33 for the 00 and 16 for the O riser, and then I had to pay $5 for the batteries, for 2 batteries. Alright, so this is Aries 0083 and Setsuna FSA launching. Bye.